Wellington's dropped a notch to level 3, so I can go a bit further and maybe a little bit harder. Not really sure how much further or harder, so I've come to Stratton Street and I'm going up to Cannon's Head and round Knob. Porirua! Just down the hill! Even the sheep seem to be looking at me and go, "Get out of the wind, you miserable defector." I'm gonna guess. There's round Knob. I see it's fenced off. It's sheep's lambs, so I better not go up there. Change of livestock. One of my favourite years in Wellington Harbours. There's the Weber bike tracks down to Stratton Street. I might try this one. Well, the track disappeared pretty quickly, but it's reasonably open, so I'll follow the spur down. So I've left the spur for Bush Creek. This would have been better at the start of the tramp rather than there. Well, that Bush Creek's dropped me in someone's backyard. That's not recommended, this route. Had to walk halfway back up the hill to hook up with the official track system. Down at last! Next time I'm taking the gravel road. Wet feet coming up. Back to the starting point. Home to put my feet off.